Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Slice of Life with Simi. So before starting today's video, I would like to share with you that I'm starting a new series for kids today where I'll be posting healthy and yummy recipes specially for our kids. Adults can have them too and enjoy the same. Now these recipes will be super nutritious and yummy. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe at the earliest and click on the bell icon to receive the notification whenever I upload any videos. So let's get started. Today's recipe for kids is broccoli. Broccoli is full of minerals and vitamins. They are rich in iron, calcium, vitamin C and K. It is effective in reducing cholesterol, prevention of diabetes and prevention of cancer too. Broccoli is high in fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents constipation. If you cook broccoli in hot or boiled water for a long time, they lose all their nutrients and beneficial substance present in it. Today I'll share with you how to cook broccoli without losing its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. I'll show you two simple ways to cook broccoli. One is on a kadhai or wok, and the other is in a pressure cooker. In both the ways, we will steam the broccoli, which is the best way to cook them. At first, let us cut the florets of the broccoli. Once you have the florets, transfer to a bowl. Now put some turmeric to it and then put some rock salt. Now add some filtered water to it and soak them for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse them nicely with water for 2 to 3 times. I have already washed the broccolis. In the first method, take a kadhai, place a stand at the bottom. Now put in water up to 2 inch. If you have a microwave steamer like this or a steel steamer, place it on the stand. Now put the broccolis on the steamer. Close the lid and let it steam for 20 minutes. You can choose to first boil the water and only after the water gets boiled then put the broccolis. In that case, you should steam for 10 minutes maximum. This is the second method, which is the pressure cooker method. If you do not have a steamer, you can use the idli stand, which I am using here. Now putting all the broccolis here. Put the gas only on low flame. Now close the pressure cooker lid. You should keep in mind to remove the cooker rubber and the whistle before closing the lid. Now let it steam for 20 minutes. If you choose to boil the water before putting the broccoli, then steam the broccolis only for 10 minutes. Now the broccolis are steamed properly. As the broccolis are very hot now, take the stand out of the pressure cooker very carefully. Now take a small kadhai or pan and put it on low flame. Put some A2 desi cow ghee or butter on it. This process is to quickly saute the broccolis. Now add the broccolis to it. Now add some salt to it. Gently mix the broccolis and your broccolis are ready to be served now. This is a great recipe which you can give to your kid as an evening snack. My kid loves this recipe. Hold on, wait till the end of the video to see Inaya's reaction on the broccoli cooked by mommy. Hope you liked the recipe. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Is it nice?
Yes.
Stay tuned and see you in my next video very soon. Until then, take care and stay safe.